Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the development at Duns River Falls. Now, we put up a video the other day about hotels going up at Duns River Falls. We're asking everybody what they thought. And surprisingly, almost everybody was against the building of hotels at Duns River Falls, which is very surprising. Some people even said that Jamaica doesn't need any more hotels. So what's happening is Duns River Falls is sitting on a massive piece of land. I think the section that is not associated with the waterfall, because in no way should they interfere with the waterfall. That is the number one attraction in Jamaica, and nobody's interested in interfering with the falls. Let's just say that. But there is a section of land separate from the falls now, has nothing to do with the falls, which is about 120 acres. That is a section that the government is looking into to see what they can do with it. Now, Duns River Falls has a name. So can you imagine if the government was to build, they could build probably 10, 15, maybe even 20 hotels. I'm not sure what the terrain on the land is, but 120 acres. I think it would be a mega development for Jamaica, a game changer. Now, remember now, let's just say it one more time. We're not in any way saying to interfere with the waterfalls. This is a section that has nothing to do with the waterfalls. If you build hotels there, it will not affect the waterfalls. Now, 120 acres of prime real estate like this should not be left idle. Now, the government has hired consultants to come up with a plan with what to do. But I'm not sure why they're even bothering to go that route, because put up hotels, put up something to do for tourism. I mean, can you imagine you have a real Duns River Falls? I think Sandals named one of their hotels Sandals Duns River Falls because the name is so iconic. Everybody knows it. And Jamaica needs more hotels. Just recently, Jamaican government signed an agreement, or Emirates announced that they were to fly a direct route or a flight from the Dubai International Airport to Jamaica. The Dubai International Airport has over 100 million people. Every day you hear about a new flight coming into Jamaica. Everybody wants to visit Jamaica. So the hotel rooms that we have now are just not enough. When hotels come to Jamaica, they do very well. Rio has opened 7 hotels. Sandals, numerous hotels. Royalton, they keep expanding. Secrets is building a new hotel. And with the new Negril International Airport coming on stream and the expansion of let's just say the building of the Ian Fleming International Airport to be a real international airport, they're extending the runway. You're going to see even more visitors coming to Jamaica. Now, there are times where the existing hotels that we have, especially on the North Coast, are booked out. They are at capacity. We need more hotels. And with the infrastructure around Miami Bay and Ocho Rios being improved, they're building a highway from Miami Bay to the airport in, the Ian Fleming Airport is listed as Ocho Rios for advertising purposes, but it's really located in St. Mary. They're building a highway from that airport. It's going to pass through Ocho Rios all the way to Miami Bay, where they're going to have a massive interchange where you can go to Kingston or Montego Bay. It's going to be the largest interchange in Jamaica. So, Duns River Falls is located between Ocho Rios and Miami Bay. So can you imagine if you had more hotels? It would be a new hip strip for Ocho Rios. It would actually be probably the number one hit. No, I don't know if it would be the number one hit strip, but it definitely would be like the hip strip in Montego Bay where you find all these massive hotels. So it's something that should be given serious consideration. And you don't have to ask if the hotels will do well. It's a given just because of their location, just because they would be, as an example, Royalton Duns River, Rio Duns River, Sandals Duns River, Beaches Duns River. Right away, those hotels would be booked out. Probably some of the most sought after reservations in Jamaica. Just an idea, guys. The government they have hired the consultants and they are looking at what to do with the property. But I think it should be developed, and hotels seem to be the best way. Now, remember, the only thing slowing down tourism in Jamaica is flights. If tomorrow 1 million additional seats were available to Jamaica, within weeks they would be booked out. Everybody wants to visit Jamaica, but the only thing slowing down the tourism in Jamaica is getting the people to Jamaica via the flights. And almost every week you hear about a new airline flying into the Sangster International Airport. Emirates, through Condor Airlines, is doing a direct flight from the Middle East to the Sangster International Airport. Jamaica is the only English-speaking country in the Caribbean that's going to have a direct link from Dubai to Jamaica. Game-changing stuff. And this is just the beginning. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And if you don't think they should build hotels, what else do you think they should build on the Duns River property? Alright guys, have a good day.